Willpower is necessary to complete many trying tasks. If you want to lose weight, quit smoking, or achieve certain career goals, willpower is vital. There are ways you can work on increasing your willpower over time. Set goals for yourself, follow through, and make lifestyle changes to strengthen your resilience. Setting goals. Break things down into manageable chunks. It's okay if you are overwhelmed, but that shouldn't stop you from trying to feel better. You won't be able to sustain your willpower if you feel like you're setting impossibly high standards for yourself. You can increase your willpower by breaking down difficult tasks in small, manageable chunks. Set reasonable deadlines. If you want to increase your willpower, you need to make deadlines for yourself. No one can function without a schedule. Set deadlines that you can reasonably achieve and stick to them. Make a plan. A technique that may help when your willpower is tested is to use an implementation intention, or an if, then as statement to plan for situations in which you might face temptation. Having a plan already in place may reduce strain on your willpower, as you have essentially already made the decision and don't need to battle your desire for sugar in the moment. This can work even if your self-control has been depleted. Staying on task. Hold yourself accountable. A vital step to increasing your overall willpower is to take some personal accountability. Do so for both your successes and obstacles as you work towards your goals. Manage negative thoughts. Negative thoughts will inevitably pop up during your journey. You may take one setback to mean you can never change, or you may simply have a voice in your head, chattering away that you won't succeed, putting you down. If you want to increase willpower, negativity does not help as it makes you feel defeated and hopeless. While it's impossible to stop negative thoughts completely, you can change how you react and deal with them. Be yourself. This means knowing your limits and setting appropriate goals. If you are trying to quit smoking, for instance, it would of course be great if you could just quit all at once and be done with it. But maybe that's not you. Maybe you still really enjoy smoking and you've been doing it for years. Instead of holding yourself to an ideal, i.e., someone who can just drop an addictive habit, maybe you need to slowly taper off instead. In this way, you are being true to yourself while also setting yourself up for success by setting goals based on your knowledge of yourself. Reward yourself. It's important to stay on task and take responsibility for your actions. However, it's also important to know how to reward yourself for good behavior. No one's willpower is strong enough to keep going without a treat now and then. Making lifestyle changes. Develop good habits. Stress is a major killer of willpower. When we're overworked and frustrated, we succumb to behaviors we'd rather work against. By developing good personal habits, we're more likely to stay on track when stressed. Do not procrastinate. Procrastination can kill willpower. Putting off duties that are seen as a burden makes us more likely to not do them at all. Avoid procrastination as much as you can if you want to ramp up your willpower. Keep a journal. Journaling can help increase willpower as you can see a log of your progress. Setbacks will feel less harsh when you can look at them in comparison to your achievements. Say you gained 5 pounds over the holidays. Look back at your journaling from when you started your weight loss journey to remember how far you've come. Seek support. No one can do everything. If you want to sustain your willpower, seek out support from others. Certain specific tasks, like quitting drinking or smoking, have support groups at hospitals and community centers that can help. Talk to your friends and family members about what you're trying to accomplish. Ask them to support you along the way. If you're trying to cut back on drinking, for example, ask that your family members not drink in front of you. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.